Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Altima 2.5 SR. Also available in the Altima is a 2-liter turbo. This one has the 2.5 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, producing 182 horsepower and 174 pound-feet of torque. Really roomy back seat. Sitting behind myself. Good amount of headroom. It's actually very airy in here. Definitely would be comfortable for some long hauls. Total price on this one comes to $30,070. Sunset Drift is the exterior color name, and I think that's a very clever name. That works. That does something somehow. Not sure how that works. Very nice materials. Steering wheel feels great. Paddles behind the wheel for once you're moving. Very nice. I'm definitely impressed with the Nissans now, after driving more and more of them. This is definitely the sweetheart of the bunch. Drives a lot better than the Sentra. It's really, and it's a totally different class than the Sentra too. Even over all these bumps on this park road, no issues at all. Good amount of torque and power from this 4-cylinder. And it takes these curves really well. Once you're underway, very smooth. This is the competitor to the Camry, the Accord. I think it's my pick of the bunch, to be completely honest. Really fun to drive. That I wasn't expecting. And a really good value for the money too. Visibility, phenomenal. As stated from the back seat, it's a really open feeling cockpit. That's perfect for what this car should have. You shouldn't feel claustrophobic in here. Hello. Let's go on our side of the road, shall we? Come on, guys. Nice faux carbon fiber trim throughout too. And you can actually feel the texture, which is really kind of neat. It's not like they just did gloss carbon. No, it has a faux carbon fiber feel to it. It's really, really cool. Wow. Through these curves, it is super planted and really, really fun to drive. Overall, the 2020 Altima is a heck of a car and a heck of a bargain. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.